Today on World AIDS Day, I want to have very glass door and transparent talk with all of you. As we all know, HIV continues to have global impact. But thanks to our doctor and medicine that have been helping people. But does it end there? Of course not. There's way more work to be done. And if anybody can save you from this disease, is only you and yourself. Today on World AIDS Day, I want to have very glass door and transparent talk with all of you. As we all know, HIV continues to have global impact. But thanks to our doctor and medicine that have been helping people. But does it end there? Of course not. There's way more work to be done. And if anybody can save you from this disease, is only you and yourself.
The most awaited thing in my bucket list, the first thing I will tell you right now, because of the pandemic I could not travel anywhere and I'm super bored, so I had a lot of big plans before the pandemic happened, but now I just want to travel without any insecurities. My future plans are very, very big right now, but I'm going step by step, easy, and you'll get to know soon my next project. I have a lot of experience, good, bad, worse. Like, my life has been very super good, roller coaster, I would say. My mom has always taught me one thing, that this shall do pass. Good or bad, doesn't matter. Nothing, कुछ लंबे समय के लिए नहीं रहता है. So, समय आता है, समय जाता है और अपना कुछ दे के जाता है. Just stay happy and be positive. Favorite places like Europe, I have never been because बहुत सारी ऐसी जगह है जो मैंने मिस कर दी है. So I would like to see, and I want to start with Greece. My next project is everyone is aware of, but officially बहुत सारी चीजों की announcement होगी. You'll get to know soon. What I do the whole day, what you seeing me right now, what am I doing right now? This is what I do the whole day. My beautiful skin care and tips and all you want, but there are a lot of things I have to follow because my lifestyle is very different than yours. It's very erratic and nothing is planned. So I have to keep certain discipline in my life. I drink a lot of water, take vitamins and my proper medicines on time, and because if I'm traveling, I make sure that I wash my face on time. And I love doing home remedies. I don't believe in doing facial cleanup and all, but when it's required, I do definitely. I visit my dermat on time, always. Favorite actor in Bollywood, I really like Shahid these days, but bachpan ka crush is always your first. So I used to love Hrithik Roshan, and I still love him. He's been fantastic actor, and he's actually a power pack, full performer he is. I think one thing I can't live without, I think it goes for everyone, mask. Don't forget to carry your mask and your sanitizer. How is my hair? My hair, I don't have that great hair, but I think ये सब लड़कियों को हमेशा ख्याल रखना चाहिए that oiling is not the solution. You need to take proper vitamins. You need to eat properly, healthy, and because of the pollution and all, आपके hair fall बहुत होते हैं. So it's in the knowledge. You have to take good spa, steam. It is important, and सबसे ज़्यादा important, use right product. I have always said I love Madhuri Dixit, but slowly, gradually, I have realized that I also have my own journey, and in that journey, there are a lot of people who have taught me a lot of things. So I can't say that only one person, but yes, when I was a child, it was always Madhuri Dixit. I used to think that okay, मुझे ऐसा dance करना, but never thought that I'll be an actress. Hina Khan, say something about Hina Khan. About Hina, I can only say, Sher Khan, you are genuinely gem of a person. You have a golden heart, and I must tell you that it takes courage wherever you are right now, and you are a lot of people's idol, and a lot of girls look up to you the way you are, and the kind of transformation you had in you. I must say that I love the way you take care of everyone around you, and of course you take care of you also. I love you. you guys from Indonesia. I just want to say that thank you so much for sending me all the goodies, all the gifts, and almost everything that I have never ever expected that, you people will love me so much unconditionally, and thank you so much for all the gifts. My favorite film is OMG, PK, Mother India, Chachi 420, Shri 420, and I love this Hum Saath Saath Hai, Hum Aapke Hai Kaun, Maine Pyar Kiya, Maine Pyar Kyun Kiya. My working experience with Tanuj was very, very good. I really enjoyed. My team was definitely very good. I shot with him for almost like 10 days, and I've learned a lot from him. It's definitely a new, different platform for me, and I'm actually grateful for a lot of other reasons. I can't talk about one single memory. I have a lot of things, but the utmost important is yet to come. The best travel destination till date is like you'll get to know soon, and I'm going to upload all the pictures soon. Okay, that's a very difficult question, and I would say that, just follow certain page, I'll tag. They can tell you better what product exactly I use. Whoever has asked this question that suggest something for the young girls and how to stay strong, beautiful, graceful. I actually wanted to upload a video, and I will be uploading it soon, that how to stay strong and how to maintain your relationship even if you don't want to talk to somebody, how to just say no to it, because it's very important. You cannot misutilize social media. Just be very careful and just be very picky about your words.
Today on World AIDS Day, I want to have very glass door and transparent talk with all of you. As we all know, HIV continues to have global impact. But thanks to our doctor and medicine that have been helping people. But does it end there? Of course not. There's way more work to be done. And if anybody can save you from this disease, is only you and yourself. Today on World AIDS Day, I want to have very glass door and transparent talk with all of you. As we all know, HIV continues to have global impact. But thanks to our doctor and medicine that have been helping people. But does it end there? Of course not. There's way more work to be done. And if anybody can save you from this disease, is only you and yourself.